Looks like it came somewhat melted there. No, not quite. Not quite melting yet.
Hey, Jess, he's alright. Oh, I'm alright.
What do you do?
Right down. It's in. Oh, jeez.
Phew. Starting to really stink.
It's still not melted. That put it on top of popcorn.
I don't know if it's good on anything. Sure don't smell very good.
Smell like rubber.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it at 22, so it's just at least like 2 minutes. So I can't take the smell anymore.
Yeah, because after you smell it, now you mentioned it, it does smell like rubber.
Oh my god. I'm gonna close that for a little while.
It burns before it melts.
Messed up stuff, man. I don't know about eating this stuff. All that store stuff, man. It'll kill you.